So if you want to control this slider to work only with even numbers, so you maybe double click here and you choose this one. So this is like even numbers only. So when you say okay, it will just step to numbers.
Rounding is round
Um,
integer numbers,
rounding,
even numbers,
I
odd
think
numbers.
it's different. These are the floats. Like if you you want the real numbers, they call it the real numbers with too many fractions. This is the whole numbers, the n nature, and yeah, this is the even number. If you also double click it from the max here, you can double click and say how much you want. Like for example, if you want it to be up to 50, and say okay. Let's see how that would look like. Wow. So
Yeah, it's great.
after a certain number, it just breaks.
It
Maybe
folds over
after,
itself.
yeah, after
Okay.
46. Actually, like the workflow or the process of creating such designs, I can say, is after you create these with lines. And so, for example, we created this now using a line and like applying some algorithms to the points, then creating this final line. Then we can create it as a surface. Then when you are finished with the surface, so you just convert it to a mesh. So that's the next step. That's maybe after this class, but when you convert it to a mesh, it converts. You can control like how much dense is this mesh and how much quality, like the quality of the mesh. And so let me to start with today's work. What were these? These we were talking about from the curve tab, from the analysis group. We were seeing like what's the length of a curve, the midpoint, the endpoints, check if the curve is closed or not. We can create frame like perpendicular frames and check if a pointing curve or not. So this is the analyticals. I'm gonna delete that for now. So to keep the other to work on a new file, I will say save document as. So I will say gh03. We had also like these two curves, and we had this tool that is a tween curve that finds the one in the middle, like according to calculation. We had this closed one, and we were checking here if we created rectangles here. Yeah, just we created rectangles.